You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Spanish actress originally. If you want to learn more confusing celebrity names from movies, make sure to stay tuned. Her name is pronounced as Nicole Wallace. I'm not sure how you would pronounce her name in Spanish. Nicole Wallace. Yeah, it's got to be pronounced in English. Nicole Wallace. Wallace. Not Wallace. Wallace. Nicole Wallace. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.